Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to throw and go your Tello drone so it can self-launch into the air. Before we get started, make sure your battery is charged and there aren't any obstacles to the right of you or to the left of you or even up above so that there's clearance for the drone to take off and do what it needs to do. Okay, so without any further ado, make sure the drone is in your hand and make sure your hands are clear from the propeller so they don't get nicked or scratched. And then once you have that done, put your thumb in the outer side, okay? And then you're going to select the icon in the middle, see the drone picture, all right? So once you press that, you see flight modes, you select throw and go, okay? And once you press throw and go, a new menu appears, but get ready to throw the drone into the air because you have 5 seconds, okay? As soon as you press that button on 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, see, and then the countdown begins right there, and you throw it up and toss it. Whoops, you see, the drone will launch in whatever area it feels best. There's no obstacle avoidance, as you can see, and the drone will just launch. So that's why you need to make sure the area behind you, in front of you, to the left or right is clear. Of course, there are prop guards, which is fine, but as you can see, well, let's try that one more time and see what the drone does. And remember, no two flights are ever the same. Okay, so here we go. Make sure the hands are clear. Press throw and go. We're going to press the button, and 3, 2, 1. There we go. See, the drone takes off, and voila. Like I said, no two flights are ever the same, but just be safe and just know from here on you're clear to go to take off. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.